up, people? So we just got deep. We just came in. What do you think of the floor?
To see this thing from the beams and then, you know, now to see the floor into the wall, it's amazing. And I'm happy to see the floors now because now we know getting towards the end and wrap this bad boy up.
Yeah. And what do you think of the sky blue against the gray?
Oh, it's perfect.
It looks nice.
Perfect color combo. At first, I didn't know about I was like, why'd you go baby blue? I wanted it more white with the tone of baby blue, but it blended perfect.
The white molding?
Yeah, with the white molding, it's gonna look really good. And you like the color combination?
Yes.
It looks great. And it's so funny because I had asked Fred. I said, Fred, we were gonna go with cabinets, gray cabinets, which is gonna be 2 gray. And then Fred said, let's do a white cabinet so that it could contrast the floor and the walls. So we're gonna go with the white cabinets. I think it's gonna look really nice because the walls are white. You guys, what color cabinets would you use? Would you do like a dark gray, a light gray, or the white, which is what we're gonna use? You know, what do you think of the color combination? You think it's gonna look good?
I think that's gonna blend perfectly.
Yeah.
I thought we were going for the brown, but white. I personally love white the most.
When you say brown,
the brown cabinets.
No, we were gonna do gray, like a light gray.
Oh, okay.
Light gray. You know, but it's too gray. I think the white is gonna look really nice. But you hear the guys in the background, they're rocking down on the 2nd floor. Freddie's guys, you know, are really good. And again, floor masters, Freddie, if you want the number, call me because I get a commission.
Yeah. All right, guys, right here you have a Max Core, Lucida Max Core. It's this is actually Storm Black. It's a 22 mil wear layer. Price is about $3.20 a square foot. And it's material install, rapid install. We'll finish this house in a day and a half.
So that's pretty cool because I have 3,500 square feet.
Yes, sir.
So 3,500 square feet delivered yesterday night and installed today in 1 day. Got about 4 guys going. I love the floor. I heard it's waterproof too, right?
Yes,
Scratch
sir.
resistant. So I'm really excited about that. I've compared this floor, Fred, to the Home Depot flooring, and their floor is just as expensive, but very, very thin. This one is better price, and it's thicker, and it has a better padding. So sometimes they'll say, oh, it's we're only charging $1.50, but then you have to buy the padding on the side, which increases the cost. So it's better to buy the floor with the padding. You're just gonna get a little piece. But this is awesome, and it's thick. It's, you know, not that bendable. The other ones was like paper. It was like wobbly. So this is pretty good. I'm really excited. The service is amazing. You guys got here what, 9:30?
Yes.
9:30. It's 1 o'clock. They already finished the 3rd floor. They're on the 2nd floor now.
2 manufacturers in China. The wear layer, 6 mil, 12 mil, 20 mil, 22 mil.
So which one do we have?
You tell me the difference, what you think, and I'll tell you who's giving you what and what you have.
So this is the layer that's on the floor now. This is like so thin. This is a little thicker. This is a little thicker, and this is the thickest, which is 22 mil. I heard you earlier. So when you said it was 22 mil. So I didn't know what he meant when he was talking about 22 mil. It's the thickness of the wear layer that goes on top of the floor. So this is what's gonna protect the flooring for scratches, running, water, everything else. Thick. And then the other one has like a very thin layer, which is like almost not there. It's like nothing. So this is cool. I never knew any of this stuff, Fred. This is really new to me.
Big box retails,
6
mil.
Yeah.
Lucida, True Core, our basic, 12 mil
Right.
already. Our basic, not this.
Right.
22 big box, 22 Lucida Max.
That's pretty cool. So Home Depot, Lowe's, it's a 6 mil, which is the thinnest. It's almost not there. And then the thickest is 22, which is what Fred is giving me. It's a world of a difference. This is the first time I've ever heard of this. You just taught me something. I've been in the business for 25 years. This is really cool. I hope that you guys really appreciate what information we're bringing to you. Fred, again, I thank you. Give me the best product at the best price and fast installation. Highly recommend him. Again, Floor Master. Boom.